Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'll show you how to log into RedNote app. At first, open the app on your phone. Here we are on the welcome page. You can log in by tapping on the red tab with phone icon, or you can log in using other methods. Tap on other login methods. Here, first tap on the statement at the bottom of the screen to agree with terms and conditions. Then tap on the icon presented on the screen to continue logging in. Now you can choose a Gmail account to continue logging into RedNote app. Tap on your significant Gmail which you want to use for logging into the app. As you can see, you are logged into your RedNote app account. Now you can start using the RedNote app. And that's it for today. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.